ensuring longevity and minimal downtime. Compatibility, designed to seamlessly integrate with forestry excavators like the Volvo ECR145E, the XB14 facilitates easy attachment and operation, enhancing overall equipment performance. Hydraulic control, equipped with advanced hydraulic systems, the XB14 offers precise control and smooth operation, allowing operators to maneuver with accuracy and efficiency. Certainly, here are some additional details about the Nisula XB14 Extra Boom. Adjustable configuration, the XB14 features adjustable configurations, allowing operators to customize the attachment according to specific job requirements. This adaptability enhances its versatility and ensures optimal performance in various forestry applications. Safety features, incorporating safety features such as overload protection and emergency stop mechanisms, the XB14 prioritizes operator safety during operation. These features mitigate risks associated with heavy lifting and maneuvering in rugged forestry environments. Environmental considerations, the Nisula XB14 Extra Boom is designed with environmental considerations in mind. Its efficient operation minimizes environmental impact, reducing fuel consumption and emissions while maintaining high productivity levels. Additionally, its precision control capabilities help minimize damage to surrounding vegetation and ecosystems. Maintenance accessibility, easy access to key components and routine maintenance points simplifies upkeep and servicing of the XB14. This accessibility reduces downtime and ensures that the attachment remains in optimal working condition, contributing to increased productivity and longevity. Innovative technology integration, leveraging innovative technologies such as telemetry systems and remote monitoring capabilities, the XB14 allows operators to monitor performance metrics and diagnostic data in real time. This proactive approach to maintenance enhances equipment reliability and facilitates timely troubleshooting, ultimately reducing operational costs and maximizing uptime. Training and support, Nisula provides comprehensive training and support services to operators and maintenance personnel, ensuring that users can effectively utilize the XB14 to its full potential. From initial setup and operation to ongoing maintenance and troubleshooting, these resources contribute to a seamless user experience and optimal performance of the attachment. Global availability, the Nisula XB14 Extra Boom is available globally, catering to the needs of forestry operations across different continents and regions. This widespread availability ensures that forestry professionals worldwide can benefit from the enhanced capabilities and performance offered by the XB14 in their operations. In summary, the Nisula XB14 Extra Boom combines advanced technology, robust construction, and user-centric design to deliver a high-performance forestry attachment that enhances the efficiency, safety, and environmental sustainability of forestry operations worldwide. Precision control systems, the XB14 is equipped with advanced precision control systems, including proportional hydraulics and fine-tuned joystick operation. These features enable operators to perform intricate maneuvers with utmost accuracy, enhancing productivity and minimizing the risk of damage to surrounding vegetation or infrastructure. Customization options, Nisula offers customization options for the XB14 to meet specific user requirements and preferences. This may include tailored boom lengths, specialized attachments, or additional features to optimize performance in unique forestry environments or applications. Telescopic boom design, the telescopic boom design of the XB14 allows for variable reach, extending the versatility of forestry equipment to access tall trees or hard-to-reach areas with ease. This feature is particularly beneficial in uneven terrain or dense forests where flexibility and adaptability are essential. Remote operation capabilities, some models of the XB14 may offer remote operation capabilities, allowing operators to control the attachment from a safe distance. This feature enhances operator safety, especially in hazardous or sensitive environments, while maintaining productivity and efficiency. Integrated data logging, the XB14 may incorporate data logging functionality to record operational parameters such as working hours, load capacities, and fuel consumption. This data can be used for performance analysis, maintenance scheduling, and optimizing operational workflows to improve overall efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Compliance with industry standards, Nisula ensures that the XB14 meets or exceeds relevant industry standards and regulations for forestry equipment, including safety, environmental, and quality certifications. This commitment to compliance demonstrates the company's dedication to delivering reliable and sustainable solutions to forestry professionals worldwide. Continuous improvement, Nisula invests in research and development to continuously improve the design, performance, and reliability of the XB14. Feedback from users and field testing contribute to ongoing refinements and enhancements, ensuring that the attachment remains at the forefront of innovation in the forestry industry. Long-term durability. Built to withstand the demanding conditions of forestry operations, the XB14 is engineered for long-term durability and reliability. High-quality materials, robust construction, and rigorous testing processes ensure that the attachment can withstand the rigors of daily use in challenging environments, providing a reliable solution for forestry professionals for years to come. Thank you for spending your time with us. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel.